Yeah.
Same customer, he needs an outdoor bar in direct weather, some weather, ironbark we discussed.
Yeah.
But I haven't got the ironbark out or anything
Yeah.
like that.
I remember you telling me about this because that's why we're going iron.
I'm Sarah from the Wood Project. My husband Nathan and I started the Wood Project approximately 9 years ago. We're a sawmill on the Mornington Peninsula. We salvage log from suburban tree removal, any sort of tree removal, and we recycle it.
I was a printer for 20 years and I had a lot of time on the end of the machine and I was getting bored. I decided to look into other industries. I looked into suburban tree removal to see what was going on with the logs.
You know, I got on board fairly quickly. I just think we're the type of people that we do put our heart and soul into what we do, and we were doing that for our employers and just really not feeling the satisfaction.
Okay, next inquiry is to...
But we're not also the type of people that do things half and half. So when we finally jumped off the cliff and started the Wood Project, we really did. We quit our jobs and we just went all in.
We started by salvaging logs and producing firewood.
Initially it was quite hard to get in with the tree removalists and arborists. They realised that, yeah, we were serious, and when we said we'd come out and pick up a log, we would pick up the log. They started asking us would we pick up just amazing logs, beautiful timber, and we just didn't feel that that shouldn't be firewood. And then, yeah, and they started looking into the sawmilling side of it.
So we bought a Wood-Mizer mill and then a Wood-Mizer kiln. From that point, we started drying timber. So we also got into fencing because we needed to work out a way how to turn these logs into money without the drying process. And that's why the post and rail fencing came in. Generally, we didn't have anyone to go off and we made a lot of mistakes on the way. We just made it through and now it's a profitable business. 27 cube. How heavy will that be? 27.
The other thing about Nath is he has to read out. Okay,
make sure I've got it right.
Iron bark, outdoor bar. Yep, iron bark outdoor bar.
Yeah.
Okay, Nath.
It's like, come on, man.
He's not just doing that for the cameras, he literally does read out every single thing he's typing.
Semicolon.
You don't know what that is.
No.
Nathan and I are such a team. Like, we've always, ever since we met, we're just great together.
Still typing, there's only 3 lines.
Oh, Nath, come on.
I'm serious, mate.
We are very yin and yang.
Just because you're busy, does it mean that you can't put things in the bin, put your highlighters back, put your ruler back? God.
Are you talking? I'm flat out, mate.
One of Nath's biggest weaknesses is organisation. So if I haven't been in for 2+ days, it's just chaos. Like, he just writes things on pieces of paper and they're just everywhere. It must be what the inside of his head looks like. It's just an explosion. So I do need to make sure I'm on top of him and making sure he hasn't missed stuff.
Yep, it won't be this week. It'll be,
Right.
yeah. Because I'll just put it here with all the other bits of paper. I've got other spots.
Nate's the ideas man, and he thinks his mind just works amazing. Like, he just...
You know, without Cez's implementing and organising skills, I couldn't, it'd just be ideas still. That's all it would be.
On little pieces of paper, just everywhere.
It'd be still on a printing press somewhere. 207 times 5 metres, at least 150.
I need a drink.
they can live with $12.50, we get 2 of them at $12.50.
Yeah, perfect.
I generally get up, go to work, have a production meeting, what's going on for the day. I'll try and get into the office and do the quoting, and the boys know what they're doing, so everything runs well. Generally it just changes and I just make it up as it goes on. We might have the 200 by 50s in stock at 2.7.
He's really front of house, like he takes all the calls from the public.
The wood project, Nathan speaking.
So I'll be answering emails. We like to put a lot through our website. Because it's all custom, every inquiry does take time.
As compared to Wood-Mizer, the other brands just didn't cut it. The research that I've done, a lot of them just bolted together, not made well. The LT50 is dedicated for the fencing, and then all the slabbing is done on the LX250. We then bought the edger, which sped up our process, and we haven't looked back.
So we've got 4 employees. It's hard work.
We like all the boys to be able to do everything in the yard, so we don't really have, okay, you're our truck driver, you're our sawmiller, you're working on furniture. We like everyone to be able to do everything.
We want our employees to be happy. It's Nathan and I, so it's a small business, family run, and we just like to treat them the same. Like we
nearly like family. Yeah, we'll cut a 2-metre section out of that.
I'm proud to walk in here and know that every single thing around us would have been absolutely nothing had we not salvaged that log and turned it into something. Whether it is a fence or a kitchen table that could now be handed down for generations. I think we're still a new business. I mean, we haven't been profiting for that long. It's taken a really long time to get it to this level and to really drill down onto what we want to offer. So we have to stick to what we know and what we do best. This is exactly what they want, these nice organic. It would be nice to be known better for what we do. Like so often people come in and go, oh, I didn't know about you, or oh, I wish I had known, and it's like, I don't know what else we can do. But we're here and we're doing everything we can.